The Vivo's sub-brand iQOO has launched two new smartphones under Z9 lineup in India called iQOO Z9s and iQOO Z9s Pro. Among these two, the iQOO Z9s Pro is the higher variant with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the iQOO Z9s Pro smartphone. The iQOO Z9s Pro features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of optics, the iQOO Z9s Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9s Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 26,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 28,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in flamboyant orange and luxe marble color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z9s Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.